Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to put vertical text in Excel. We start by opening the Excel file. You can see that the text is horizontal. Now select a cell. In the Start menu, click on Orientation, and there you will click on the vertical text option. You are going to enter the desired text, and when you press Enter, you will see the horizontal text. Finally, you can select this cell, and from the Orientation option, choose whether the text rotates up or down. This will help to better display it in Excel. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.